Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be reviewing the teaser of Avita by BC Corp. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual construction site. This is the main road. Have a look at the neighborhood. This road leads you directly to highway. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points: project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers and many more. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here, where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 0.56 acres with 1 tower's ground plus 22 floors with a configuration of 2-3 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about connectivity of this project is located near PF office Kherwadi, Bandra East with Western Express Highway at a distance of just 1 minute, with Bandra station at a distance of just 5 minutes, Aqualine Metro station at a distance of just 5 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer. Talking about amenities, this project has 20 plus luxurious amenities including swimming pool, kids play area, jogging, indoor games and many more. Talking about carpet area, this project has two configuration, 2 and 3 BHK, with 2 BHK having 755 square feet and 756 square feet, and 3 BHK having 1072 square feet and 1090 square feet. Talking about the booking process, our booking process is now open where clients are requested to come and visit the site, where our sales team will help you with the actual project details, will help you with the actual location tour, will also help you with the payment and EMI schemes, and if clients like the project, they can book ahead with the booking amount. The booking amount will be 10% of the total agreement value. So everyone, this was the teaser of Avita located in Kherwadi, Bandra East. To get more information about this project, do check the comment section. To know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.